We are back at Dollar General for another great deal. This is Saturday, February 17th. We're going to do the 5 off of 25 with that spend 30, save $10. Now, if you have that gain 5 off of 30 clipped, that's going to come off instead of the spend 30, save $10. Try to have an account where the 5 off of 30 is not clipped. Hopefully you've already used it. If you have very few accounts, if you have a lot, pick one that doesn't have that clipped, the 5 off of 30 gain, because it will not work with that save 10, spend 30, save $10. I did want to pick up the gain softener because I had a $1.05 digital, but my store is sold out and I checked everywhere. What we're going to do is, I already have it down here, but we're going to pick up one of the draft for $10.50. We have a $3 digital. Now, when you do this, make sure you scan the barcode of any of the items that you pick up so that we have the $3 digital that attaches and then the spend 30, save $10. Make sure that coupon pops up for all of the items that you're gonna pick up. I wanted to do a different deal. I would have picked up the softener, the large gain, and then the $10, this one right here. I would have had that, the large gain, and the fabric softener if they had the fabric softener, and would have paid, I think, $6.95 out of pocket. But instead I'm picking up the draft using those two digital coupons. Then I'll pick up the original Tide for 69 ounces, 48 loads for $9.95. We have a $3 digital for that. You can pick up these scents right here, but they only have 44 loads. I always opt to go with the more loads, and that's always the original scent. That's why I grabbed that. And you can opt to do that with the Tide detergent too. If your store is sold out of the 69 ounce bottles, you can grab the Febreze pods, the Tide Febreze Power Pods for $9.95. That $3 and the $10 digital attaches to that. Now, if your store has the $9.95 detergent for the gain, you can grab that. But since my store is sold out, I'll go ahead and pick up the gain flings for $9.95 using the $3 digital for that. Here's everything we're picking up. Our total is $30.40. You're gonna have the cashier scan everything. Then after the cashier scans everything, because I'm at an updated store, have them scan the 5 off of 25 paper coupon at the register. And I always go to the one with the cashier. You can try it at the self-checkout. I just don't use the self-checkout because she's always open. Then I put my number into the pen pad. Once you put your number into the pen pad, your 5 off of 25 is gonna come off. Your spend 30, save $10 will come off. That'll probably come off first. Then your 5 off of 25. Then your $3 for the Tide will come off, $3 for the draft, and then $3 for the gain odor defense. That will come off, and you'll be left to pay $6.40 before tax. Okay, and here's our receipt. You see at the bottom, the draft $3, Tide $3, and the gain odor defense $3. I just changed the scent on those gain flings. I prefer the gain odor defense. You see our 5 off of 25, and then our $10 when you spend 30, save $10. If you subtract that $7.52 from the $112, which is the tax I paid, that will be $6.40 subtotal and $7.52 after tax. And that is my deal at the updated store. We made it to Family Dollar. We're gonna do the 5 off of 25 here. Same thing, all digital deal. Pick up one of the Dove bar soap for $1.25. We have a $1.50 digital that attaches to that. That $1.50 digital will adjust down to the price of the Dove soap, making that free. I'll also pick up 3 of the $2.25 toothpaste, as you can see right there, any scent. That'll be $6.75. We have a 5 off of 3 digital we can use for those. I'm over by the Band-Aids, even though this one is on clearance. This one is $2.25 and we have a $1.50 digital for that. So I'll pick up one of those. I'll pick up one of the Tide detergents for $5.50. Doesn't matter what scent you pick up, we have a $1.50 digital for that. And this week we actually do have a $1.50 digital. I have not decided if I'm gonna pick up these Bounty paper towels, the Bounty Essentials for $1.25. The 50 cents digital for the Bounty attaches to those. I'm gonna have to see how my scenario works out if I add those. For the Febreze plug, that's $3.50. I'm gonna pick that up. I have a $2.30 digital on my app. We have the Suavitel for $1.95. We have $1 digital for that. Then pick up the Ajax for $2.75. We have $1 digital for that. Here's everything I'm picking up. $25.20 is my total. Have the cashier scan everything. Put your number in the pen pad. Your 5 off of 25 will come off. $1 for the Suavitel, $1 for the Ajax, $1.50 for the Tide, 50 cents for the Bounty, $3.20 for the Febreze, $2.30 for the Febreze plug will come off. 5 off of 3 digital for the Colgate. Your $1.50 digital for the Dove will adjust down to $1.25, making that free. And then your $1.50 coupon for the Band-Aids will come off, leaving you a total of $6.15. Let's go check out. Okay, and here's my receipt. And as you can see, for the Bounty Essentials, the 50 cents digital did not come off. So just because it attaches does not mean that it will come off. The Suavitel, the $1 digital for that. The Band-Aids, there's your $1.50 digital for that. The Dove, the $1.50 digital adjusts down to $1.25. There's our plug warmer, $2.30 digital. The Colgate, our $5 off of 3 came off. It just came off on increments on each one. And then the Tide detergent, our $1.50 digital came off. Our Ajax, there's our $1 digital, and our 5 off of 25, which left me a subtotal of $6.65. Still fantastic. $8.32 after tax. Okay, I had to go back and check to make sure I clipped that Bounty Essential coupon. I did not clip it, so it will come off. I just forgot to clip it. But this is it. Thank you so much for joining me for another fabulous 5 off of 25 Saturday at Family Dollar and Dollar General.